Hi, welcome to Crochet Jewel channel. I'm going to share with you how to make this crochet star granny square with a G hook and medium worsted yarn. This measures about 4 by 4 inches. This is great for bags, blankets. The pattern is down below. Please subscribe if you haven't already. There's a playlist down below if you need help with beginner stitches. And also, if this is too fast, you can place it in slow motion. There is a link down below for that. Okay, so let's get started. To get started, you're going to do the magic ring. If this is your first time, just take your yarn, wrap it around your fingers, take your hook, go under, grab that yarn, and chain 2. There is a link on how to do the magic ring down below if this is your first time. So yarn over and pull through 2. Then you're going to work 14 double crochet into the ring. So yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn, pull through 2 loops, then yarn over and pull through 2 loops. You're going to repeat that for a total of 14 plus your chain 2. Okay, you should have 14 all together, and you're going to pull it closed. Take your tail, pull it as tightly as you can, slip stitch on top of that chain 2, yarn over and pull through, and then pull through. Now you're going to chain 5, slip stitch in the second chain from the hook, insert your hook, yarn over, pull the yarn through, and then pull through. And then in the next chain, you're going to half double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, double crochet in the next, insert your hook, yarn over, then yarn over, pull through 2, and then yarn over and pull through 2. Treble crochet in the last, so yarn over twice, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and then slip stitch. That creates your first point. Then you're going to repeat 4 more times for 4 more points of the star. Okay, you're going to repeat chain 5, slip stitch in the second chain from the hook, half double crochet in the next, double crochet in the next, treble crochet in the next, skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, slip stitch. This is all repeat. Repeat for 2 more times. Okay, you're going to create 2 more points until you get back to the beginning. Now you're going to skip 2 and slip stitch, chain 1 and fasten off. It's going to look like this, and then you're going to add the border. You're going to want to secure your ends with your yarn needle. I just go to the back here, tighten it, and about 2 to 3 times I secure it. And then I'll just cut this yarn after I weave in the ends with my yarn needle. And then you can just cut this, and then you can also weave in this end as well. Okay, now we're going to do the border. You're going to slip knot onto your hook. And then at the very top of any part of any point of the star, you're going to insert your hook, then single crochet, so pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then half double crochet in the next. So yarn over, insert your hook, grab that yarn over and pull through 3 loops, and then double crochet in the next, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, and then you're going to treble crochet in the next, yarn over twice, insert your hook, grab that yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Then you're going to do 2 treble crochet in the next 2 stitches, yarn over twice, insert your hook, grab that yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, leave 2 on the hook, yarn over twice, go to the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, and then yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on the hook. And then you're going to treble crochet, yarn over twice, insert your hook, grab that yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and then yarn over and pull through 2. Double crochet in the next, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, and then half double crochet, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops, single crochet at the very top, yarn over, pull through, and then yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and then just repeat, go down by repeating, which is going to be a half double crochet, and then a double crochet, then a treble crochet, and then 2 treble crochet together in the next 2 stitches. And then you just repeat that. Going back up, you'll do a treble, double, half, single, and then just go all the way back down and up until you get back to the beginning. Okay, you're at the end here. You're going to slip stitch in the beginning stitch here. Make sure that your star looks like this, that you place your single crochets on top and then go down, and then make sure your single crochets are on top. You're going to chain 1, half double crochet in the same stitch, single crochet in the next 3 stitches, of the 1, 2, 3, half double crochet in the next, double crochet in the next, treble crochet in the next, treble crochet in the next, chain 2, treble crochet in the same stitch, treble crochet in the next stitch, double crochet in the next, half double crochet in the next, and then you're going to repeat with a single crochet in the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3, half double crochet in the next. Now double crochet, this is all repeat, treble crochet, treble crochet in the next stitch, chain 2, treble crochet in the same stitch, treble crochet in the next, double crochet in the next, half double crochet in the next, and then you'll just start it over again, single crochet in the next 3 stitches, then half double crochet, and then double crochet, then treble crochet, treble crochet in the next stitch, then chain 2, and then treble crochet in the same stitch, treble crochet in the next, and then double crochet and half double crochet, and then one more round of single crochet, repeat in the next 3 stitches, then half double crochet, double crochet, treble crochet, treble crochet in the next stitch, chain 2, treble crochet in the same stitch, treble crochet in the next stitch, double crochet, half double crochet, and then slip stitch in the beginning stitch. Then you can chain 1 and fasten off and weave in all of your ends. Okay, to do the border, you're going to single crochet in each stitch until you get to the corner. Okay, inside this space, you're going to single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, and then single crochet in each stitch until you get back to the corner again and do the same thing. So you're going to single crochet in each stitch and then single crochet, chain 2, single crochet until you get all the way back to the beginning. Okay, and to finish it off, you're going to slip stitch, then chain 1 and pull through and weave in all of your ends. I really hope you enjoyed this crochet star granny square. Please subscribe if you haven't already. The pattern is down below, and thank you for watching.